Welcome to Mindshift TV, the channel dedicated to transforming your mindset and empowering you to reach new heights of success. In today's video, we're delving deep into the secrets that are propelling the rich to even greater wealth. Have you ever wondered how the wealthy continue to amass their fortunes? Well, wonder no more, because we're about to unveil these hidden strategies that can help you on your journey to financial prosperity. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a fresh perspective and actionable insights that can change your financial trajectory. Ever felt like there's a secret club of the super rich who have access to wealth-building strategies that are kept hidden from the rest of us? Well, you're not alone. But today I'm going to share with you the strategies and tactics that the rich use to get even richer. So let's unlock the vault of wealth-building secrets. 1. The power of compound interest. Our first secret revolves around one of the most potent forces in finance: compound interest. Compound interest is the money you earn on both your initial investment and the accumulated interest on that investment. It's like a snowball effect that grows over time. The rich understand the power of compound interest and make it work for them by consistently investing and reinvesting their money. The key to maximizing compound interest is starting early. The more time your money has to compound, the greater your wealth will grow. The rich often start investing in their youth, giving their investments decades to flourish. Diversification is another secret to compound interest. The wealthy spread their investments across different assets, reducing risk and increasing potential returns. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and even startups can all play a part in their diversified portfolios. 2. Leveraging the power of leverage. Our second secret is all about leverage, a tool that allows the wealthy to multiply their wealth exponentially. Leverage involves borrowing money to invest in assets that have the potential to generate a higher return than the cost of borrowing. Real estate is a classic example, where you can use a mortgage to purchase properties and benefit from both appreciation and rental income. Leverage can be risky, but the rich know how to use it wisely. They assess the risk-reward ratio carefully before employing leverage. They often have a well-thought-out exit strategy in case the investment doesn't go as planned. In addition to financial leverage, successful entrepreneurs use business leverage. They scale their companies by reinvesting profits into growth, allowing them to capture more market share and generate higher revenues. This business leverage can lead to substantial wealth accumulation. 3. Strategic tax planning. Our third secret lies in the world of strategic tax planning. The rich understand that how they structure their investments and income can significantly impact their tax liability. They leverage tax-efficient strategies to keep more of their wealth. This includes taking advantage of tax-deferred accounts like 401ks and using tax-efficient investment vehicles. Asset location is a key tactic in tax planning. The wealthy allocate their assets among taxable, tax-deferred, and tax-free accounts strategically. This allows them to optimize their tax efficiency while growing their wealth. The rich often seek the guidance of tax professionals and financial advisors to develop personalized tax strategies. While these services come with a cost, the potential tax savings far outweigh the fees. 4. The art of passive income. Our fourth secret revolves around the concept of passive income. The rich prioritize building multiple streams of passive income. This income flows in without requiring their constant active involvement. Rental income from real estate, dividends from stocks, and royalties from intellectual property are common sources of passive income. Owning businesses can also generate passive income if they're structured and managed efficiently. The rich often invest in or own businesses that can operate with minimal day-to-day involvement, allowing them to enjoy passive income streams. One of the secrets of the wealthy is that they don't spend all their passive income. Instead, they reinvest a significant portion to create even more income streams. This compounding effect accelerates their journey to greater wealth. 5. The value of continuous learning. Our fifth secret is a mindset shift, the commitment to continuous learning. The rich understand that the world of finance and investment is ever evolving. They invest in their knowledge by reading, attending seminars, and seeking advice from financial experts. They remain open to new strategies and adapt to changing market conditions. Continuous learning also helps them manage risk effectively. By staying informed, they can make informed decisions even in uncertain economic environments. This proactive approach safeguards their wealth from unexpected downturns. The wealthy often network with other successful individuals, sharing insights and strategies. They recognize the value of learning from others' experiences. Surrounding themselves with knowledgeable peers enhances their financial IQ. 6. Strategic asset allocation. Our sixth secret revolves around strategic asset allocation, a critical strategy for building and preserving wealth. The wealthy understand that diversifying their assets across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments, is key to managing risk and achieving long-term growth. They continually rebalance their portfolios to maintain their desired asset allocation. Assessing their risk tolerance is another part of strategic asset allocation. They invest according to their risk tolerance, which helps them stay calm during market fluctuations. This disciplined approach minimizes the chances of making hasty decisions driven by fear or greed. Many wealthy individuals consult with financial advisors to develop customized asset allocation strategies that align with their financial goals and risk tolerance. Professional guidance can be invaluable in optimizing asset allocation. 7. Passive real estate income. Our seventh secret centers around passive real estate income, a favored avenue for building wealth. The rich recognize the potential of real estate investments. They invest in income-producing properties like rental apartments, commercial spaces, and vacation rentals. These investments generate regular rental income, adding to their passive income streams. In addition to physical properties, the wealthy often invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs provide exposure to the real estate market without the direct ownership responsibilities. They enjoy dividends from these investments, contributing to their overall wealth growth. Efficient property management is crucial. The rich often hire property management companies to handle day-to-day operations, ensuring a truly passive income stream. This allows them to focus on other wealth-building strategies. 8. Giving back and impact investing. Our eighth and final secret highlights the importance of giving back and impact investing. The wealthy often engage in philanthropy, donating a portion of their wealth to causes they care about. Philanthropy not only makes a positive impact on society but also provides tax benefits. They establish foundations or charitable trusts to structure their giving effectively. Impact investing combines financial returns with positive social or environmental outcomes. The rich look for opportunities to invest in companies or projects that align with their values. They seek investments that generate both financial and societal dividends. Many wealthy individuals aim to leave a legacy of giving. They instill the value of philanthropy in their families, ensuring that the tradition of giving continues for generations. This approach creates a positive impact that extends far beyond their lifetimes. In conclusion, the secrets that are making the rich richer are not hidden. They're principles and strategies that anyone can adopt. By harnessing the power of compound interest, leverage, strategic tax planning, passive income, and continuous learning, you can pave your own path to financial success. If you found this video eye-opening and valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who aspire to build wealth. Remember, these secrets are within your reach, and with dedication and discipline, you can use them to unlock a future of financial abundance. Don't forget to subscribe to Mindshift TV for more enlightening content on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and mindset transformation. Your journey to financial success begins with the knowledge you acquire, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, keep shifting your mindset towards greater wealth, and I'll see you in the next video.